Alright guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 side hustles that you can start today that over time can create passive income for you. Okay guys, so let's go. So number 1 is a YouTube channel. Okay guys, so you can start a YouTube channel today, and if you're consistent with your videos and your videos are valuable and they give value to people, or it's just comedy or commentary or reactions, whatever channel guys, whatever video, whatever niche, if you're consistent enough for over a year, you'll probably start seeing some money coming in. And the reason why I say it's passive income, why YouTube is passive income, because there's some people like myself who, like me, I did videos a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, that to this day I'm still making money from every month from. Okay guys, so that's passive income. There's sometimes when I don't upload on that channel for like a month, 3 months, but I'll still see $1 a day, $2 a day. But it's the niche that I'm in. It's not a popular niche or whatever. But you can start a YouTube channel, and over time that channel will start making you passive income, you know, on the videos that you did months ago, years ago. So all these side hustles that I'm going to name here is you have to put in the work up front, guys. You have to put in the work ahead of time, and then later on these side hustles will start making money for you even when you're not putting in so much work. Okay guys, so YouTube is number 1. So you can look at channels like Mr. Beast or Casey Neistat and be like, oh wow, you know, they got so many followers right now, that's why they're getting so much money or whatever. But when they started at 0 subscribers, and now Mr. Beast has, like, I don't know, last time I checked, he had like 20 million. So I don't know how many millions it has now, but you know, he's now making money from videos he created like a year ago, 2 years ago. Those videos are still making him money, and the videos he's creating now this year will still make him money 2-3 years from now. So that's passive income right there, right? He put in the work now, and later he's getting the money. So if you are good on camera and you got ideas and whatever niche you are in, start a YouTube channel now, and don't expect to see money from it until maybe a year. Some people might be faster, 6 months or whatever, but just have a trajectory saying, okay, at least by this many videos, by this much time, I'll be making some type of money from it. Okay guys, any extra money is better than no money at all, right? So side hustle that will make you money over time. Number 2 is real estate, guys. So real estate. So if you have a 3-bedroom and you only use 1 room or 2 rooms, you can rent out the other room and start making some passive income from that other room for your extra expenses, or put it in the savings or add it to your mortgage or whatever. But real estate is a good way to make money over time, passive income over time. And let's say you don't want people in your house and you got money to buy another second property, might be a single, might be a duplex, might be a whatever plex. You can start making money from those investments over time. Okay guys, so real estate. But real estate, of course, you have to put in the work now as well. The work that you gotta put in as far as real estate is like you have to save money to have the down payment to take advantage of the good rates or the good deal that comes on the market. Okay, so save money now, and then when a deal comes on the market that you like, that meets your budget, invest in that. Over time, you make money, maybe invest into the second property. So real estate is a good way to create money over time, passive income, guys. People are always gonna want and gonna need a place to live, a roof over their head. So guys, you can take advantage of real estate. Okay, number 3 is writing a book. So you can write a book, and you don't have to write a book if you're not good at, you know, literature or whatever it takes to write a book. But if you know how to write a book, if you're good at writing and stuff like that, you can write a book. And sometimes if you're good in a certain niche and you know the ins and outs and you know 100% everything, you can write a book on that. If you're good in real estate, you can write a book on real estate. If you're good in babysitting, you can write a book on babysitting, how to babysit your dogs, how to babysit your kids, how to babysit your cats and stuff like that, how to feed your cats, how to do this. You could write a book on anything, guys. You know what I mean? The market is huge everywhere. So just take advantage of the knowledge that's in your cabeza, in your head, okay? And use it to your advantage, because books, so with books, I'm talking about ebooks, I'm talking about audiobooks, I'm talking about anything that has to do with a book. So, for example, like Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki wrote this book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And to this day, he still makes money from a book he wrote. I don't know how long. I don't know when this book came out, but he still makes money from a book he wrote back then. So that just goes to show you that you can make money, passive income, from writing a book that's valuable. Okay, guys? Can be fictional, can be factual, can be a biography, can be whatever, can be about food. You can make money over time, passive income. So you can write a book if you're good at that. Okay, all these side hustles, just choose which one meets your criteria and go with that. Okay. Number 4 is create a valuable course. Okay, teach a course on what's in your head again. So if you're good at something, instead of writing a book, if you're good on video, you can make a course and put it on platforms like Skillshare, platforms like Udemy, however it's pronounced. Teachables, you can put your course on those platforms and be able to make money from people wanting to learn your skill, guys. That's why college will never run out of clients, because people always want to learn. People want to learn in this world, okay? Education is very, very valuable. Learning new skills, learning new trades is very, very valuable. So if you have a trade you could teach, go ahead with it. You know, write a course, do videos on the course and put it out there, and somebody who's looking to do what you are good at will pay you money for your information. So you could do your course now. A year from now, 2 years from now, you will start making money from a course that you did like a year ago, 2 years ago, because knowledge is power, guys. Knowledge is power. Number 5, guys. So number 5 is musicians. If you are a musician, you can license your music to different platforms online, kind of like Epidemic Sound, Music Bed, Audio Jungle, all these platforms that license out music. You can get your music, your singles, your instrumentals, your music, your film scores, all kinds of music, guys. Any genre of music, you can get your music and you can license it to these platforms, because there are people who go to these platforms wanting to use your music. You know, if you have copyright to those songs, you know, you can make money from the work that you did a year ago, from albums, from songs that you did years ago. You know, you can make money from that when you put it on these platforms. So that's passive income in its own. So there you go, musicians. What are you waiting for? Huh? You waiting to get signed by the baby? You can also put your music on places like Spotify or Spotify, however you want to say it. You can put your music on iTunes, on Amazon Music, a whole lot of platforms, guys. Do your research. You can put your music, you can have your music work for you, make you passive income. Don't just sit and watch Netflix and scratch on your anyways. So make some money from your music, guys. Number 6, artwork, guys. You can make money from your artwork. If you're an artist, you could draw, you could do graphic designs, all kinds of artwork, all types of artwork. You can make money from your artwork. You can create pieces that over time can make you money. Okay, guys? So you could do artwork. Okay, so that's number 6. Number 7 is photography and videography. So you can use your camera to capture images and videos that you can license out to platforms like Storyblocks, Getty Images. So, you know, you could get, images that you shot in places that maybe people don't go, or maybe just in large cities, because maybe somebody who's doing a documentary or who's filming a movie might want to use your footage because it really goes with the story that they're trying to tell. Okay, so you can use your video camera and whatever camera you have to get some footage and license that footage to these platforms so you can make money over time. Okay, shoot the videos now, shoot the photos now, put it on these platforms. A year from now, you probably make some money from that. So that's passive income. But do your research and kind of see what's going to work for you and where you're at. You know, some people might want some stock images of the beach. Some people might want some stock images of skyscrapers, some mountains, some goats, some pigs. And you have that footage and have those photos. Just put them there. You make money. Okay, guys? So last but not least is number 8, guys, which is stocks, guys. So you can invest in stocks and over time you will make money depending on the stock market. I'd rather put $100 and make back some of the money every year than just not make anything. But then again, don't take my advice for it. I'm not a CPA or whatever, so that stock thing, the last one is just, I just threw it in there to just make it 8, you know. I love even numbers, so 8 right there is good. Okay, so you can invest in stocks. And yeah, but then again, I would advise you to invest in stocks, especially if you don't get advice from people who really do stocks, who really watch these things and know what's safe and what's not. Because stocks, they're kind of risky investments. You know, nobody, if we all knew in 2001 that Amazon was going to be where it's at today, with Prime, with all these vans around, like all you see is Amazon Prime vans. You don't see UPS, you don't see FedEx, you see USPS, right? But in my area here, it's like they've taken over. All I see is Prime vans everywhere. So if we all knew that this is what Amazon was going to be, I mean, I would have put all my life savings that I didn't have at 15 and put them into Amazon. But do your research, guys. So that's that, guys. So these are the 8 side hustles that you can put money into now, or that you can save money for now, or that you can work hard at now. And over time, you will start making some passive income from these side hustles. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to the channel because I'll be dropping a video a week. And smash the like button for that YouTube algorithm, baby. Let's go.